Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video. So in this video I will show you how can actually design some packaging like some boxes. So very interesting. Suppose let's start with a normal one. So it will look something like a matchbox or something. You can there are so many type of designs. So it's like a box inside a box. So two parts. So let's start with a cuboid. That's very simple. Now I will place another cuboid inside that, and we can make that hollow. So you can place some objects inside this. You can sew something inside, maybe a card or some sticks or something. So from these corners, now you can extend four lines. So first decide how much you want to sew, like coming out from this main box. Now from the bottom you can see this is coming from this end, and once you draw you will get the fourth corner. So from this corner now you need to show the inside line. This is important, and by adding some hatching line you can make this look slightly better. So if you want you can put a wrap, or you can put something inside, some sticks or something. Now just add some details. If you want you can also add some prints on top of this, so by adding hatching line. So now you can when you add these lines, so make sure like you thinking about the light source. You can't randomly add these lines anywhere. So for example, my light is coming from the left side, so I'm adding this darker lines on the right side. Now same thing, I'm making another one. So it's like a box again, like normal boxes that you see, the Amazon box or something. So again start with the cuboid. For the upper parts, the four-sided parts, you can make slightly not completely straight, maybe a little bit diagonal or straight, so it will create a very natural look. So this is how sometime you can present your products, maybe inside a box. If you're making a book or something, you can put it inside a box, or you can show the final packaging of this. So very interesting. Now on the right side, if you see, I'm slightly making it going diagonal. Okay, now just we can slightly make the lines darker, and so whenever you draw slightly initial lines, make them slightly lighter. So when you final your design, so you can just dark those main lines, so you can clearly see your final design. If you make the initial lines very dark, then it will be difficult for you to differentiate the main product inside this so many lines. Okay, so this is how you can draw. Now let's make another one like a pizza box or something, where it's connected. It's a single piece, a cardboard thing. So again I'm making the base simple, and for the top part again we can change the angle. Instead of completely straight or closed, we can take a diagonal line or something. Just you need to repeat the same angle on the other side. That is important. You can that is very, if you want to increase the size or something, you can, it is very important. Now it is also important to keep the upper parts length same. Otherwise when you fold a like a box, it won't close properly. So that's why I just try to maintain the same thickness on the other side. Thickness means the same length on the top part of this object. Now just adding some side thickness to this. So by using this technique, not only packaging, you can also make maybe visiting cards, brochures, or you can present your simple products in a very interesting way. So the technique that is I'm using to make this product is kind of an isometric view. I already explained in previous video how to draw this. Now let's make a tetra pack or something, or that we see if you see a milk container or something. Is that the top part generally if you see it will look something like a triangular in shape. So by joining this, by finding the center point, you can now slightly extend the center part, and this is how you can get a triangular shape. Now we need to repeat the same shape on the other side. So now the top part, if you see, it's like a triangular trapezium in shape. So one side is flat and on the side it's triangular in shape. So even if you want to create a triangular shape product or packaging or something, this is the technique we need to follow. Now maybe on the other on the top side I can put a opening part, like I can put a circle and we can convert this into a cap or something. Now this is the circle. Now we also need to add some thickness to this. So repeat the same circle and we can add some grips to this to look like a cap. Even you can place a logo or you can write down there. Now the top part. And again, to present your product, maybe you can now add some shadows or something, or you can also add colors and try to draw this kind of products from a different angle also, or try to create something unique using the technique, because now you know how to draw the product. Just explore more with the shape. Now just I will finish this one by adding some shadow to this one. So I'm there is a gap between the shadow and the product, so it's like the product is slightly floating on air. So there are so many techniques you can use to present your products. So designers use different techniques, whatever looks better you can follow that. You can repeat the same kind of technique on every product or selected products. So that's it, not much on this video. So I hope you enjoy, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and like this video, and also do share the video to someone who likes to learn product designing or this kind of something related to sketching or something. Okay, now I'm going to finish this one. So thank you so much guys. See you soon with a new video. Take care and goodbye.